Shidim Shari, or we might have Fiery Inferno like we did yesterday. Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. We haven't talked about that on a weekday in a while. I have an order to buy IBIT, the Bitcoin ETF, right at the ref flow here. So that should trigger this morning. The next area to buy would be down here. So as far as my buy order, I did trim here when it touched the 100, and then I bought back what I trimmed. I will when the market open, when trading open at 7, I will change that order to pre-market, because my good to cancel order is not gonna happen until 9:30, which is silly. But my next to buy order is down here at the 54 level and at the 52 level, and I have more order way below, but that's for another day. At this point, I don't think we are gonna see that kind of craziness, but it's Bitcoin. Can it get down there? The answer is yes. Would that be a bad thing? Potentially, because you're talking about the 200, right? The last time it came down, it wicked down real nasty, but it bounced right where the 200 was. Right now, it's holding. If it break, then we can see, yeah, if it break, I might remove the buy order at 54 and add that order down at the 52 level. Okay, as far as buying BTC outright, I would wait until it get down there to buy some more, but that's it for now. Let's take a look at some semi related stuff this morning. AMD, oh boy, I am out of AMD on this move up here, of course. Now we got the channel play, right? So let's draw in the channel. While we already draw in the channel, we just have to make that a official channel. All right, so that's a down channel, and let's see. Okay, so for now, look like it's bouncing this morning. From what I can see here, pre-market look like the semi altogether are bouncing. Personally, I would use this opportunity to trim if you have exposure in semi. I don't trust this bounce. We can go lower, so I would take this opportunity to trim on the pop on any semi you have. And I know I will on my Nvidia. If you itchy to get into AMD, you have basically 3 potential level: 131-ish into this buy zone support, of course this white line, and then the channel low. Okay, so you have 121.5-ish, and then 115-ish is the channel low. Right now this white line, what is that white line? I wouldn't call it nah, it's nothing. I wouldn't call that white line anything. Nah, I wouldn't call this white line. Now can we go back 5 years? Maybe it mean more something. For 3 years it doesn't tell me anything. I'll take it out. Okay, I take it out. Not sure why, what was the reason, but I don't like it. I don't think it mean much of anything, in my opinion. If I put it there because I thought it means something, then I was wrong. But yeah, so for now, you can look at the fib instead. 121.5. That's 122. 122 is the fib. buy zone, 130-ish, 122, and then of course 115. Three area of buy for AMD. I'm more inclined to wait to the channel low. If there is a bigger pullback, you know me, I like channel low. SMCI, oh boy. No, if you want to buy channel low, you can. Okay, 389-ish. No need to chase it here. Look like this one is going lower compared to AMD. It looked like pre-market is looking for 30-ish, 380, 385-ish is channel low for now. If you get down to 332, yeah, it complete gave up everything it gained since the end of the year. Wow, of last year. I mean, wow. Year to date, 0% gain SMCI. Lam Research, nasty. What a pullback on earning, and then there was a nice bounce. It was a very impressive bounce from the low of 730-ish to 880-ish. Okay, that's impressive. Okay, when you're talking a 150-point range, yeah, that's a 20% move. Yeah, you got to be impressed. 20% move in 2 weeks. If you happen to buy the low, now, do I like? I think if you want Lam Research, wow, well, can't tell from pre-market what's going on here, but perhaps down here at the ref low might be a good spot. Let's see. Let's go back 3 years to see. Yeah, it's at the good spot. See, you notice I used to trade Lam Research a lot more. When the chart is this busy looking, I have not traded Lam Research that much all year. So let's remove a lot of these excess lines. Don't need to worry about all these lines. Just busy. Okay, I think that's good enough, right? Wow. For sure, we don't need any of that anymore. But I like this right here, okay? This is a good area to draw in the zone. That's a good zone, right? Resistant, breakout, check back, support. Yeah, I say that's a solid area right there. So let's extend that, and there you go. So yes, as far as Lam Research, if you want to buy the dip, 725-ish, okay, that's between 725, that's basically the mid-range of the zone, down to 715. Okay, that's could be a good. Now if you break that, then hallelujah, 52-week low. So it better do something, okay, because this could be potential tax loss. Now that we are in September, keep your eyes out for stocks that look like this. Sure, it start the year down here, right? So right now, year to date is basically zero, give or take. But for most people that bought it since February and beyond, they are losing money, especially if they bought it in the summer, from like May through July. They lost a lot, okay, a lot, 30%, 20%, anywhere from 20 to 30% down. So don't be surprised if this thing's gonna come down to this, and when it come down to this, and hold by the end of October, yeah, then there might be a play to buy into year-end rally. Okay, if we have a year-end rally, but for now, don't chase it. Let it come down. All right, people. Jolt econ data today. Jolt job. Uh, jolt is for job loss, labor turnover. That's what JOLT stand for. Jolt numbers today. Jobless claim tomorrow. Unemployment rate Friday. Later. I'm trying to stop here.